What's up, family? And welcome back to another video on Chase's Automotive. All right, so today we just got this new BMW F30 328iN. Bought this thing 2 days ago, guys. Okay, so what we're gonna be doing today, we're gonna be doing a full cleaning. As you can see, this thing is filthy, all these scratch marks and stuff. But I'm gonna get y'all a little cinematic thing, and we're gonna get this thing clean. All right, so before we get into it, if you hate cars for some reason and you don't like me, this is not the place for you. We will retell jokes and we have fun. All right, if you don't like this, don't subscribe. But if you do like this stuff, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the bell notification so you know the next time I post videos just like this. All right, so we're gonna get into it. Also, this is my cat, my dude Bluetooth. Alright, so we got the body done, so now we're just gonna go into the tires. Give y'all a little close up. I'm just noticing, these are like one of those like super relaxing things that maybe I'll do this more. Anyway.
Brother,
I'm gonna fast forward to the other 4 tires being done, so then we can get on to the polishing part. We're done. I lost my microfiber towel, so we are going to be using a baby one. Don't roast me in the comments, but yeah, we're going to do this by hand.
2,000 years later.
So, we got it sparkling. Looks pretty good, actually. The paint job isn't bad on here. The only thing I do notice is on this front bumper, you got little chips, and on the hood, you can see like little imperfections. But other than that, it looks pretty good. The stuff I use to clean the tires, we got this right here. Windows, I use this. You know, it makes it really resistant, as you can see. There's little strips on the inside, so now we got to clean the inside. So let's do it. All right, so for the black parts right here, I'm using this. My neighbor's sinking. Anyway, and it works wonders. Like literally, it was looking like this right here. You see how black it is now? So yeah. Just get a little bit of this on your towel, rub it, and then boom. Neighbor, he's literally enjoying himself over there. All right, this is before. All right, so we are on the inside. You see these buttons? You see how dirty they are? Scrubbing it down with this right here. And we're making them look all new again. All right, it's gonna go from this, like this. All right, so we just finished the whole interior and exterior of this car, which literally took me forever. We are going to be doing the duck bill. All right, it's over there in a box. So we got it right here. Hold up, I'm gonna put the camera down. And one thing you don't want to do with 3M tape is press it down too early, which is what I did here. You're gonna see that I had to literally pull it all the way back up and try to take the rest of the protective film off the 3M tape, which I pressed down right there. So like if you're working with 3M tape, try not to press it down while you still have the film on top of it.
what struggle looks like.
And then boom, that's the duck bill for you. I think it came out really good. It came out way higher than my expectations. It really accentuates the car. Like, it makes it more sporty. And I know what y'all thinking. Oh, he need the M Sport bumper. I'm gonna get it. All right. So basically, this is the finished product right here. Little walkthrough. And that's really about the end of the video. So I hope you enjoyed watching. New video uploads will be coming out for this F30. We have a lot planned. So y'all enjoy the rest of your day. Be blessed.